Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning for the week of August 9th in my Hobonichi Weeks, and I use this planner for social media planning just to keep me accountable, and I am going to be using the Aloha State of Mind kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. And I also purchased these adorable die cuts. So I might use these too. I'm not sure, but they're so adorable. I couldn't pass them up anyways. I did a couple weeks ago use the same kit in my cousin. So what I did was I have the extra bits and pieces here that I might go ahead and also incorporate into the Weeks kit, and then I just went ahead and grabbed washi. So we'll see how it turns out. This has been working really well for me, and this is kind of like the way it's been going. Just that way I have ideas and I can put it down and hopefully stick to it. Plus it's fun, and I love how tiny and compact this little planner is. Yeah, it's kind of helped. It's helped me write down ideas that I have on the right side, and then actually to post the pictures that I want to post. And any excuse for another planner to put Tasia's cute stickers in usually is a given for me. So this is the last week of summer before school starts for my kids, and it's just crazy how at the beginning of summer you feel like you have forever, and then all of a sudden it's over. So I'm really excited about seeing what the new year brings. So we're gonna use the ultimate summer kit, or at least my idea of summer. I've been to Hawaii once before. My husband and I were fortunate enough to be able to go for one of his work trips, and his brother actually lives there, so he took us around the island. It was really nice, so pretty. Okay, so normally I use this weekly box as a way to, trying to decide what washi. I use it as a way for me to know when I'm going to upload videos and when I'm gonna film videos, because all of a sudden, you guys know how it is, the week is over and it's Friday. This might be a little too bright, this washi, but I like the colors. So this will be the videos. And then I use these for Facebook and Instagram just to make sure that I post daily, or at least try to. So this setup's looking really similar to last week, but that's okay because it's such a tiny but functional planner that I don't know, I don't feel like there's always room for design, but I think this worked out really well last week. Let me show you. Let me show you my watch. Look how cute! It makes me so happy. So if you don't know, if you go to Sweet Kawaii Design and you sign up for the newsletter at the first day of the month, Tasia always sends out an email with like all the news and information. And it also, in that email, she puts a free wallpaper for your phone, so you can just screenshot and download the picture. And it's so fun. Like, I really look forward to changing my wallpaper every week, and I just haven't yet put it on my phone, so that's what I did, and that was exciting for me. It's the tiny things sometimes. And yeah, so let's just put the dates down. My goodness, that's adorable. They're all cute. I don't think you can pick a wrong one. I love the way those look there, but I like to be able to write down different ideas that I may have for pictures for the week. So if I put that there, then I really like lose planning space. So we'll just go ahead and use this. I don't know where my X-Acto knife is. Make this work. think that's it. I think my favorite part is probably like this little like frame there, and I was considering doing it here too, but it just gets really it gets a little busy when I like put everything I want to put. But I like it, it's functional, it works for me, and I hope that it gives you guys some ideas for how a weeks could work in your life, maybe like with cleaning or things like that. So thanks for stopping by. If you could subscribe, I'd appreciate it, and if you could like this video, that would be awesome. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.